Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet and press the bell icon for further notification on my videos. Thank you. Hello friends, today we will make another version of healthy salad and it is roasted vegetable salad. Let's see the ingredients. Here I have taken 1 bowl of mixed capsicum, 1 small of broccoli, 1 small bowl of mushroom, 1 onion diced, 1 carrot diced, 3 to 4 baby corn diced. I have taken cherry tomato, about 6 to 7 half, salt to taste, pepper powder, oregano and lemon juice. To begin with, we'll take a bowl and add all our vegetables except onion one by one and give a nice toss to it. Mix very nicely. Next, we will add salt to taste, or about 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix the vegetable nicely so that salt and pepper gets absorbed by the veggies and keep it for 10 to 15 minutes as a marination. No need to keep in fridge. After 10 minutes, salt the vegetable again. Salt has been absorbed by the vegetable. Now, let's add our onion. We will add our cubed onion and give a nice mix to it. See how beautiful our vegetable looks. Now take a baking tray and grease it with some oil. This is purely optional. You can avoid this step too, but I do not want my vegetable to get stuck to the tray. Now take the vegetable and spread it on the baking tray. All the vegetables should be spread separately and it should not be upon each other. Spread it very carefully. Our vegetable looks like this. Now let's bake it in the oven for about 25 minutes. After baking, our vegetable looks like this. I have cooled it. Now we will transfer it to our bowl. I have transferred the vegetable. Now we need a dressing part. I'll add just some oregano and squeeze some lemon juice over it and give it a nice mix, and our roasted vegetable salad is ready to serve. The taste of the salad is as good as the simple recipe of it. Please give it a try. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.